His face doesn't tell you anything. The very great George Collins once said, the very existence of flamethrowers can be proved as sometimes someone said to themselves, you know what, I want to set those people on fire, but I just can't get enough. Yes, we are the flamethrowers. We come in the dark of the night and rekindle people's life. Yes, we are the ones who scorch the common man's creativity. Yes, we followed a tiny spark. Yes, we are the Flaming Corporation, and we give cooking a new dimension.
Introduction. The Flame Corporation has been started by S. Mohanlal since 1970s. It has been engaged in kitchenwares since then. We had many inventions in the kitchenwares, and the most recent one is the flame towel mug. Reports say that 1 in every 4 household in India use Flame Incorporation products. Made a sales of whooping 300 crores last year, that is 2010. Our market includes foreign countries as well as countries like US, Singapore and UK. Marketing strategies.
At Flame Corporation, we believe in cultivating good habits. And one of them is that we prohibit the use of the words employees, co-workers, partners, etc. Instead, we follow a strict rule policy of calling other members as our family members. As far as our team goes, we have Devanshi as the CEO, Mansi and Michelle as the innovation and creativity, Dhruvin, that is myself, at product designing, Isha and Hima at advertising, and Disha and Priyanka at marketing.
So what is our product range? Our product range consists of a variety of products like Russian oven, popcorn maker, innovative mugs, coffee maker and many more. All the products are created keeping in mind the needs of the housewives.
Reasons for our success in the market are every time a new and innovative product range, dynamic changes in the product, new vision in all products, different from competitors, creative group of employees and affordable prices.
Marketing strategies. All our products being woman-centered, our advertisement, hoardings, banners and jingles, etc. recorded keeping in mind the likes and dislikes of the common housewife. The television channels which we use to advertise the products are the one mostly viewed by women. Example, Star Plus, Sony, Imagine TV, etc. The net marketing includes advertising and posting exciting offers on sites such as FB, Yahoo, Twitter, and obviously our official site, that is www.flame.inc.tk.
This is a common household scene. Nowadays, the housewives are tired of cooking and they take it as a burden. The new generation doesn't know how to cook and they don't want to. So the Flame Corporation wants to change it.
Many people have asked me, what did we do to make ourselves so famous in the market? I replied, nothing. We just introduced a stove whose 1 lakh pieces was sold in just opening 3 months. A stove which did the company a total revenue of 48 crores till now. A stove which ensured that cooking will never be the same again.
So, what are the advantages of this flame gas stove? Because of this, the housewives can now listen to their favorite songs from radio or from the CDs. It will act as a direct from all-in-one entertainment. The touchscreen located in the center is something to look out for. The two-way Bose speakers promises you the crystal clear sound. We guarantee you cooking would now not be a burden.
At Flame Corporation, we believe that change and creativity is the way of life. Looking at our brand image in the market and noticing that our products do sell, we are back with a bang with a new product. A product which comes from unexplored areas. A product which is all set to take you off your feet. People, we present to you the Flame Travel Mug.
How did we get the insane idea? Traveling has lost its fun nowadays. The so-called caffeine addicts do not get their favorite beverages. while traveling. It sometimes gets boring doing all the separate things such as blending your coffee bean, setting your coffee to your favorable temperature whenever you need it, cleaning yourself, etc. Housewives sometimes complain of hitting the same coffee or tea again and again. So we wonder, how can we do all the things at the same time? So what we just did was to visualize the concept of singularity.
The main aim of the Flame Travel Mug. The travelers should be able to cook and carry their own beverages. They should get a huge variety of temperature to choose according to their comfort. The hygiene lovers should not be left behind. The battery should be long-lasting, providing them enough portability. They will not have to sacrifice on the typical beans or the tea taps.
What extraordinary stuff this mug can do which others can't. It has features like an inbuilt grinder with fine blades, a temperature control mechanism with temperature regulators, a LCD screen which enhances the features like showing the outside temperature and the temperature inside, a tissue holder serving travel hygiene, and a chargeable battery to back you up everywhere you go.
Pricing. As far as the markets are concerned, we aim to target each and every soul which travels. We have launched it in various colors for schools and college-going students. The pricing is done keeping in mind the possible users. So, with astonishing features comes an awesome price. The Flame Travel Mug is now available at a mere price at $4.99.
Safety precautions. The interior of the mug is outlined by an insulator which ensures enough safety during traveling and that the temperature does not spread throughout. The exterior of the mug is a hollow metal layer which vacuum to spread it from an inner layer and prevent conduction and convection. The screen is also double encased to protect it from any kind of spillage. All the wire is properly insulated to prevent short circuit occurring from frequent change in their temperature.
The common man needs so many incentives in his daily life. At the Flame Corporation, we provide two types of incentives. The first being no satisfaction cashback guarantee. If the customers are not satisfied with our products, we give them a 100% cash refund on their purchase. The second one, to boost our sales, we are providing free Nestle tea and coffee sessions.
Radio jingles. We are all set to release the brand new radio jingle prepared for our only newly launched product, the Flame Travel Mug. As far as the concept goes, a family going for a picnic is portrayed with the usual fight between grandmother and her daughter-in-law. It is all set to be released in a radio jingle which includes Red FM and Big FM. Congratulations, you are first one to hear. Enjoy.
Anita, please come fast. We are getting late.
Mom, please don't forget to bring my favorite mug.
Anita, why are you late in each and every job? While coming, please also bring my coffee beans and thermos. I prefer my coffee hot. And don't you dare to forget my tissue box as I am health conscious.
Okay, here we go.
What is this, Anita? A mug? So this time you are up to some pranks with a silly mug?
Hello, it's not a silly mug. It's the Flame Travel Mug. It comes with features like inbuilt grinder, a chargeable battery, digital LCD screen which enhances features like showing the outside temperature, setting and viewing the inside temperature, and above all of that, it comes with a tissue holder. It comes with a wide range of colors to quench your thirst with beverages and cocktails at a wide variety of temperature.
It might have cost a fortune, right?
No, with awesome features, it is just priced at a mere $4.99.
For more information, log on to www.flame.tk. The Flame Travel Mug, your best travel mate.
One peach iced tea.
Okay.
I would like to have something hot today. I prefer coffee.
Coffee.
Hot.
Nice coffee or Bombay espresso?
Bombay special. Why always a coffee? Then try something new this time. As I'm always addicted to coffee these days. Then how do you manage all the time? In school I get it in canteen, and at my place my mom has to make it all the time. We should encourage
is a new product launched in the market. It's a Flame Travel Mug. It has an display, 9 attraction holder and a temperature sensitive too. It's just worth ₹199 and everyone can easily carry all their weight. And I think it's a perfect travel mug. Wow, it's pretty good. I'll buy it soon. Thanks.
The Flame Travel Mug, your perfect travel mate.
The Flame Travel Mug, your perfect travel mate.
Flame Travel Mug, your perfect travel mate.
The Flame Travel Mug, your perfect travel mate.
The Flame Travel Mug is the perfect travel mate.
Flame Travel Mug,
Your perfect travel mate.
Flame Travel Mug, your what?
The perfect travel mug. Shameless.
The main question nowadays is how can you order a Flame Travel Mug? So, you can book a Flame Travel Mug at your nearest kitchenware dealers located throughout the cities of India like Pune, Mumbai, Rajkot, Hyderabad, etc. For more information, you can also log on to www.flameinc.tk to avoid rushes at your nearest stores.